You can really cook almost anything within the CRISPi.
Oh yeah, we love air fryers here.
I'm Greg Fish. I'm SVP of Product Development.
I'm Abbas Sailawala. I'm Technical Product Developer at SharkNinja. CRISPi as a system
It's like the power of an air fryer in the palm of your hand.
You can prep in it, cook in it, serve in it, store in it.
No one's excited about microwaving. You can do air frying, you can do baking.
Leftovers in the CRISPi turn out amazing.
There's nothing worse than leftover soggy French fries. I didn't realize how much chemistry there was in glass.
These containers are still microwave safe, high heat resistant, dishwasher safe.
We put this through hours and hours of testing.
We've done accelerated testing at high temperatures.
Thermal shock testing, impact ball testing, we have scratch resistant testing.
It can sustain that wear and tear. And it also comes with integrated base protection that allows you to use this on most of the countertop surfaces.
Granite and linoleum and
On my coffee table at home.
you can bring it to an Airbnb or hotel. You could bring it out on your deck or patio, and you can bring it into work. You can bring it to construction sites. Anywhere that you have a plug, you'd be able to have a nice, crispy, hot meal.
There's just something so satisfying to watch your food cook.
People want their crispy to be crispy.